Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm the chef here in Trish's kitchen. I'm going to share with you all the refreshing summer drink. It's lemon mojito. Whenever I feel hot, I like to drink this. This is really nice and tasty. Guys, please like the video if you like my recipe, and if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. First of all, add lemon pieces in a glass, then squeeze it nicely. Now add sugar syrup. Add salt. Add some mint leaves. Add ice cubes. Now add soda. Our lemon mojito is ready. Serve immediately. Enjoy your drink and please don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.